Imagine you are faced with a problem while trying to copy a file to a folder on your Mac. The dilemma arises when you're unsure whether using cp_some_file.t some folder or cprf_some_file.txt some folder would make any difference. You've been told that the rf option forces the cp command to overwrite existing files, but you've noticed that files get overwritten even without it. So you start wondering, why use rf in this case? Moving on to the solution, let's delve into the intricacies of the cp command on macOS. First off, the standard cp binary on macOS does not have a R option. Instead, you use R to copy directories. It's possible that the person who mentioned the RF option was actually thinking of RMRF. Now, focusing on the F flag, the man page explains that it allows you to forcefully remove a destination file if it cannot be opened, and then create a new file without asking for confirmation, regardless of its permissions. Continuing with the solution, let's see how the F flag works in action. Imagine you have two files, foo and bar, with bar set to read-only permission. When you attempt to copy foo to bar without the F option, the process fails due to lack of write permissions. However, by including the F flag, CP first removes the existing bar file, given that you have write access to the directory, and then successfully replaces it with the contents of foo. In summary, when dealing with file copying on a Mac, remember that the nuances lie in the options used with the cp command. The F flag can come to your rescue when you encounter permission issues with the destination file, enabling a seamless copy operation. So next time you find yourself in a similar predicament, don't forget the power of F. And with that, happy copying, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.